How to change your name in MS Teams. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open MS Teams and log into your account. Then click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. You'll find this kind of screen. Beside your name, you'll find pencil-like icon. Click on it. After you clicked on it, you can change your first name and your last name. After you've changed, press on Save at the bottom. After you've saved your name, you can simply reload the page if you're in the web page. After you're done, as you can see, my name has been changed, and this is how to change your name in MS Teams. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.